Okay, test. Today we are gonna be playing some Blob Town. That game. Yes, that is my actual username. Mm-hmm.
AK-47, put your hands in the air.
There. So, you probably don't know who I am. Well, I will show you who I am. So it's a plushie god that you're watching right now. I finally decided to make my own YouTube channel. The reason why all of the plushies are not here fully is just solely because this avatar got too complex. Too many plushies. Too many plushies! I don't like that. Why? I don't know. Anyways, today's video, I guess, is gonna be playing Blob Town, but first I'm gonna teach you how to make a hand puppet because I know lots of people in the community have been asking how to make a hand puppet. Now this is gonna be from my POV. So this is one of my hand puppets that I've made in the past. I'll teach you how to make a hand puppet like it. So, you want to create a new avatar, okay. So, your non-dominant hand, for most people, your left hand, will be the head of your hand puppet. Now, you can create the head and then flip its orientation to go here. Now, just for reference, I'm just going to create an arrow facing... That's basically the head. That is the direction it's facing. And then you can have the torso just be a straight line. Now, this is just going to be a demo of it. Then, your dominant hand will be the dominant arm of the plush, which will be your dominant arm. So the non-dominant arm can just stay on the torso over there. And you just put it like this. So say its hand is like there. This arrow represents, that represents direction of how the plushie will be holding it. Then you save and you got a little hand puppet. I think you need to add more distance than that for it to work better, because this demo is very thin. But yeah, that's how you make a hand puppet, I suppose. I'm kind of new to this whole thing.